Alrighty guys, I nearly forgot this, right? So let's go and sort this out. Does that look even to you? You chilling now? You off my nuts? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. We're in the middle of a short-term relief rally for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, and for many altcoins. But we need to go and find out if it's a good time to be buying or if we should wait. Now, before we do start, guys, I'm going to plug this in every video this week to make sure that none of you miss it. I told you that I was going to be making some in real life content, and we've actually got the video ready. It is going to be posted on Sunday, and I'm going to be starting a series of IRL Lex Money or IR Lex Money, IRL X. You know what I'm trying to say, guys. We're going to be posting them every single Sunday, and you guys can find out if the public does know anything about crypto. There's some quite funny bits in there as well. So again, to make sure you don't miss that, post notifications on, subscribed, smash a like button. Let's get into ICP. Now, when I said it was a short-term relief, I meant that, guys, because we are now at 65k. We've been hovering between 66, 65, 64. We actually did wick off 64 last night, and that was going to be the first key level for our Bitcoin longs, as we did talk about yesterday. But look, everything is still down. We're still at a major discount for the majority of our coins. ICP was sub $8 yesterday. Now we're at $8.20. And again, you know, we are still aiming for our lower targets of $7.14. But you can see here, yesterday we hit $7.60. And is Wave B going to be finished very soon? That correction, if we open it up here, you can see Wave A took us to that $20 area. Wave B back down to $7.37. Is Wave C going to bring us up to $45? Is there going to be a lot of selling pressure there? Because many people's targets, I've spoken to a lot of people, and they said that $40 is their end of cycle target. Now, obviously, you know that we're trying to get much higher than that. We're looking for 3 digits for our ICP. But you guys let me know what your end of correction targets are in the comments right now. And it can be hard, guys. It can be hard to go to work every day and you're thinking, why is my bag not pumping? How long do I have to wait? I actually did do a poll on my community tab in YouTube yesterday. And I asked you guys, how much longer are you willing to hold your alts? 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, forever? And the majority of you guys said that you are willing to hold for the next 12 months, and that's in line with the end of cycle theory to say that, right, next summer, end of next summer is going to be the top for our altcoins. Obviously, everyone's got their own theory, but then there are a few of you who you're getting fed up with it. 3 to 6 months, you're feeling like you want to be out of the market. And I get a lot of comments now to say, I'm out, I'm buying silver, I'm buying gold. That is cool. However, when you've held on for this long, guys, to be getting out at this stage of the market, in my opinion, is a very risky business. But something that is cool to have a look at is the Pi Cycle top estimations. And you can see here, every time we've had a cross in the DMAs, it has indicated the top. Okay, pretty soon after, it's indicated the top. And if you look here where we are now, I mean, we're close to the cross, but we're not there yet. And in the previous cycles, we've had that cross and then had our dump. Same here, we've had a cross sort of like sandwiched together, and then we've had our dump after. We haven't even got to that little sandwich stage yet, guys. Sandwich stage, you can call it whatever you want to call it, but we could still be having our little rally up to around 110 to 150k. And now, before we do get into the trading view, I mean, another one to look at, the rainbow chart. Okay, this has been working perfectly for like the past 4 cycles, guys, the past 3 cycles, right? Let's open this up. And if you had just been patient, if you had just been disciplined, and you followed this to a T, you would be making some serious money. Okay, it is easy as that, really. It's just in these choppy bits where people are stuck to the charts every single day, altcoins are doing random things, some alts are up, some alts are down, then it can play with your emotions. But where are we now, guys? We are in the accumulation phase of the cycle, as we've said, as so many different indicators have been telling us. Now, if you listen to this and you said, right, Bitcoin's in this blue, basically a fire sale at 16k to 20k, you would have been able to enjoy this 300% rally for Bitcoin, okay? But again, it's not that easy because people's emotions come into play. But many indicators are mirroring things that happened in the last cycle. If you we're buying in this accumulation of the last cycle, all of the alts, then look, you would have been doing very, very well, guys. So that's another reason why I stay accumulating not only ICP, but many of my top alts. Now, as I said, Bitcoin has had its bounce off that 64k level that we have been tracking on the channel for God knows how long. It feels like a very long time, guys, okay? We had a perfect wick off it, but I did say we could have a bear trap down anywhere in between 64k and 59k. Looks like it's still on the cards. If this does start to come back down, then alts are most definitely going to get smashed, okay? And you have to be aware of that. Now, when we come to ICP, we're in the middle of a short-term correction. I do think we have room for one leg lower, okay? One leg lower. That could give us that low $7. It may even break just under $7, okay? It could be like $6.90 something, right? And people are going to say, well, why did we buy at $7? Again, because we want to be taking our average price down. A lot of you had left comments in last videos, you know, telling other people how to get your average price down. And you lot are switched on. You guys are going to be the ones that are very successful in this bull run because you understand how important it is to be getting the average price down. If you're buying above $10, above $15, and you're not buying now, you know, you could be getting 50% off that average price, okay, depending how much you buy. But we need to stay patient. We shouldn't really be buying into these relief rallies, guys, because we could be getting another dump down. We're going to have to keep a close eye on it over the coming days and weeks to find out, is this over for ICP, or are we going to be getting one more final push to get some stupid cheap ICP? You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. So that's it. That is the end of the video, guys. Again, please go and turn on post notifications so you don't miss Sunday's video. We're going to be making this a weekly thing. I know a lot of you guys would love that type of content. And if you want to support the channel, go and smash that like button. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.